So these are problems we inflict on ourselves instead of being fair and just to every section of this country so that there will be peace. They don't want to do it. Why? So what I'm saying is that the problem in the Southeast did not exacerbate before now, because now criminals have taken over. Kidnapping is good business. They catch you 1 or 2, 3 millions will part from your family purse. So if they are lucky, they escape, they eat the money. And it's going around the whole country. I mean, the whole the Southeast zone. So that's why I mentioned that I'll try to reach my friend, because Imo appears to be the most affected.
Yes, because I was going to come there.
Yes.
On September 19th at exactly 10 a.m., some security operatives were ambushed and burnt in their vehicle. And, you know, the lives of our security men, police, and all of that were lost in that inferno. A lot of indigenes, I mean, it happened in Ehime in Imo State. However, both in Imo, in Abia, because Abia is just nexus to Imo, yes, they share the same transit border, have said that isn't it time that there is a state of emergency called in the Southeast as regards the insecurity, because already billions of dollars have been lost in the economic circle of the Southeast. So what then is left is for the governors, like you said, you will speak to the Imo State governor. But before then, isn't it time for a state of emergency to be declared on the state of insecurity in the Southeast?
I don't understand what declaration of a state of emergency will do. Already the Southeast is occupied militarily. That is what the state of emergency will do. Nearly 10% of the Nigerian armed forces and policemen are in the Southeast. Every inch of the ground is occupied. But still, the violence is going on, which shows you that somebody somewhere can help stop that violence. I have gone around the whole of the Southeast to know that even though people don't say it, the love and trust they have on Nnamdi Kanu, you can't begin to imagine it. They believe that he represents the summary of all the ills the Igbos have suffered in this country. That's their belief. Whether rightly or wrongly, they believe that. Most of us believe that, including myself. He is the only voice that we hear now, with everything happening around our place. And if we have good leadership that is honest to itself, our people should be able, and especially when the Court of Appeal has discharged this boy, that all the charges you people have has no basis. So it is even easier for a government that is interested in security to release him, make it as a test case. Releasing Nnamdi Kanu based on the legal framework and see what will happen in 1, 2, 3 months. If it doesn't work, then we start talking of this kind of emergency we're suggesting. We have a promise that if that young man comes out, you won't believe the different meetings people are holding, unauthorized meetings, the whole of Southeast. Nobody tells them anything. They just, Nnamdi said this. Nnamdi said we do this. This person said we do this. On top of it, we have the problem with the guy in Finland, complicating he's doing what he's saying based on the fact that Nnamdi Kanu is being held. So you see that most of the atrocities being carried out are based on the fact that this young man is being detained. So why don't government, try one step. Use this avenue, get him out. You have a legal basis of getting him out. Watch him, and see whether it improves security in the Southeast. If it does improve security in the Southeast, why can't we, as Christians and good Muslims, dialogue? And I said the president has a supreme opportunity. He's a devout Muslim, and his wife is a devout Christian. And I believe they read the 2 holy books. Nothing can happen without peace, forgiveness,